Late summer is the time of year that my backyard birds molt. They shed old feathers and grow in shiny new ones, bit by bit. Some birds will replace all their feathers, others just some. It depends on the species and even on the individual bird. Many blue jays, like this one, lose all of their head feathers at once. It's kind of like an early Halloween costume. Notice how patchy this crow's plumage is. I think this is a fish crow, since at the moment I'm mostly getting fish crows at this feeder, but I can't be sure. Here's a molting tufted titmouse. What you just heard was a titmouse call. He was so fast. Let's see that visit again. These molting grackles compete for food by tilting their bills up high. It's as if the tilt means, it's my turn now. I think these birds are both male. Making new feathers requires a lot of energy. Late in the summer, it's after nesting season, and there's still abundant food available. Birds can be really grumpy while molting. Not only do they look disheveled, but the new growth causes itching. It's just an uncomfortable process. Now, grackles always look like they're in a bad mood, but here, they're grumpier than usual. Here we have a male northern cardinal who is molting. Note the patchiness of the feathers on the face and head. The ear openings are clearly visible. Cardinals are gorgeous birds, but during molting season, I think they're the creepiest looking. This bird is a white-breasted nuthatch. As was the case with the cardinal, the most noticeable molting is happening around the face and head. He is soon joined by house sparrows looking for scraps left behind by squirrels and larger birds. I honestly can't tell if the sparrows are molting. Here's a juvenile grackle growing in his adult plumage. So in that sense, he's going through the same process as his parents. This is what's called a performative molt. Molting blue jays look almost as creepy as molting cardinals. This bird has just a wisp of feather sticking out from the top of his head. Preening is a frequent activity during molting. I don't think this guy cares how he looks. He just wants the feeder refilled. You can really see the dinosaur behind the bird in this bald blue jay. I think this bird is molting flight feathers. This guy is still kind of cute, in an ugly way. This jay's crest feathers look unusually short to me. Maybe they're new? Dang, squirrel! You tell him, Blue Jay. The squeaky gate call is a favorite of blue jays. The jay on the right is a juvenile. He's molting too, as you can see by looking at his face. Damn squirrel. He's growing in his adult plumage, just like the juvenile grackle from earlier. Now listen very closely for a rattle in the background. That rattle is a call only female blue jays make. You can just make out the lady jay in the tree in the background. This blue jay is almost completely bald. The fish crows move in for peanuts. This crow has white fluff coming loose and is also molting around the mouth. The crow on the left here is a juvenile. You can tell by the pink mouth. And Baldy is back. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, everyone, thank you for birdwatching.